Component that I wanted to do, so I just thought that for the red key.
Oh, you stop it, little Ann.
My confession, just when I thought I said all I could say, my chick on the side said she got one on the way. So my confession, guess I gotta keep on.
Head over to the gym. And work out for the first time in, I don't know, 8 months. I haven't worked out at all. I haven't done anything. I'm hoping ain't nobody in here so I can film a little bit, because if people are in here, I'm not gonna. Hello? Hi, yes, this is Vaughn. All done. They had a sign that said no cameras, so. Alright, we're in Target, you guys. I was just telling my mom how I need to upgrade Ann's car seat because the one she has is too small for her now. It's like she's still using the infant one, and we've used it to death and we can't get away with it any longer. So I need to figure out which one is next for her, because she's not big enough for these big kid ones, and I don't know what's going on over here. So I told her, this is not something you can buy from Target. I need to go to like Bye Bye Baby, Babies R Us, talk to a pro, get a quick consultation, and figure out what's the best thing to do. So I just told her that. Mom.
I don't know. Those I know said for 4 years old.
No, we're not about to buy a car seat, Mom.
Oh.
Yeah, I was saying that I'm gonna go to Bye Bye Baby or Babies R Us and have someone explain to me what's up. I don't even want to deal, like, yeah, I don't even want to.
Okay.
I'm being a brat, but I don't want to deal with it. Mom, remember when Ann was like this big? Newborn size. Remember when she was this tiny? And I remember thinking about her getting bigger and being like, oh, that's so far away. That'll be, you know, it'll be eons before we get her something that big, and she's here already. She's here, aren't you, Ann?
Yeah.
Like, I'm here. I'm a big girl now. I'm a big girl. No, that was not at Target. Oh, I said I needed lotion and what else did I say I needed? Those are pretty. Huh. I was just telling my mom how I usually shop at the boy section for Ann sometimes. And I was just thinking it's more like my style. And it's not like I get her like blatant boy stuff like this, but it might be something like this, because that's something I would wear. And your babies, unfortunately, will be a reflection of you regardless. If you're a weirdo, your baby's going to be a weirdo. If you're really smart, your child's probably going to be really smart. If you're antisocial, your kid's probably going to be antisocial. Like, until they have a mind of their own, they're going to kind of be like you anyway, so you might as well just go with it. So, yep, I shop in the boy section sometimes because my mind doesn't think this is for a boy. My mind just thinks this works for me. So I got her this one, PJ set, for an upcoming family trip. She's gonna need PJs. And then I got some lotion because they need some. I had to get one of these. Super perfect for like tons of fruit. Look how big this thing is. I don't know if you guys can see how big this is. This is perfect. You know, when you buy like a bunch of fruit because you like to juice or because you're plant-based or vegan or whatever, this is the kind of fruit bowl you need. This is awesome. I cannot wait. This is perfect. Gold with like hammered detail. It's perfect. Mom is not feeling me today.
You're
You're not feeling me, Mom?
No, Mom just tired on a Friday afternoon.
Oh, you'll be just fine.
Yeah, I will.
I got some wine, so we're gonna drink that.
I'm gonna do my hair. My hair's a mess.
This is what my grandma, Aunt's great grandma used to do when we would come over. She would put big old shirts on us if we didn't have any pajamas, because this is an impromptu like sleepover night type of thing. So she put this t-shirt on her and then she tied it up in the back to kind of take up some of the slack.
So that it'll fit. I'm ready now.
I'm over here chilling, you know what I'm saying, on the chaise. Got my little cushiony little holiday blanket.
The poinsettia is still alive because that's what I do.
The poinsettia, where is it? Oh, there we go.
I bought that at Thanksgiving. Right after
Guys.
Thanksgiving.
Oh, has it been that long?
Yes.
I got my red wine that we picked up from, no, the one we got from Target, we left it in the car. So we drinking what was already here. But you hate when you do that, you freaking get something and you leave it in the car. But anyway.
No.
We are back home. I took my braids down. Got the little curly braid out look happening. I just put my hair in a bun because I don't want to deal with trying to shape it and get it just right. Plus I didn't have any product in my hair, so trying to style a braid out with no product, it looks kind of frizzy looking. So I just put it in a bun. Gotta go to Bye Bye Baby, get some gifts and things for tomorrow's birthday party. Anne's cousin is turning 1, so we gotta get some gifts for her. Also came home to a couple of packages. Really, really fun stuff. I often share this stuff on my Instagram story, but I'm gonna share it in this vlog today, just because I got my camera handy and everything. So I got 2 packages. One came from Akira. Remember in my last vlog I told you guys Akira had reached out to me after I had posted those outfits from my Atlanta trip. And so they reached out, wanted to partner with me on some looks. So they sent me a bunch of clothes, some really, really cute stuff. I'm excited to try and make sure and see if it fits right and everything. So thank you, Akira, for the awesome outfits. This one is a trench coat. And then this one is a set. It's like a jogger kind of 2-piece set type of thing. Like, you know, like a tracksuit type of thing. And I just hope it fits. And then this is a dress that I'm probably going to wear for my birthday. And then this other stuff that I got sent is from Buxom. I'll figure out the pronunciation and I will get it right. But anyway, they sent me their full line of liquid lipsticks. Anyway, let's head out. Anthony's giving me that look. He's like, I'm ready to go. Anyway, we're heading into Bye Bye Baby. This is the store of choice. And in her stroller, she's asleep. It's pretty warm today. It's like 40-something degrees, so it's warm for us Chicagoans. Alright, so we talked to the sales associate. We're probably gonna just get this one. It protects Safe Sail Impact Protection one. It's easy to install and it's 20% off. So, and this one is rear or forward facing. It's got the little sippy cup holder. So we're just gonna roll with it. They didn't have like the Stoka stuff here in store, which is fine because we kind of probably weren't gonna get it anyway. Like, just to be honest, we just wanted something practical, nothing fancy. It's so cute. And it's still asleep. We're just trying to find some gifts now for our little cousin. I'm thinking everyone loves to get PJs for their babe. I mean, we do, because Anne sleeps in PJs every night. Oh, this one has unicorns on it. Sometimes it's kind of tough shopping for parents who like have it all, you know, because it's like they buy their babies everything that they want them to have, and then you come along with your gift giving and you don't know what to get them because they have everything. So it's kind of a struggle trying to figure out what to get these cousins of ours, but we'll figure it out. Oh, I really love this one. Fur. Looks like a members only jacket type of thing. Being human is hard work. Time to be a unicorn. Okay. Ooh, I like this. I like this. We have to get this one. Definitely getting this one. That looks just like her. Looks so much like her. Alright, so we got that one. What else? So the Jessica Simpson stuff is like so nice. Look at this. This is so cute. Like, I can't even deal. How cute is that? Oh my God. Yeah, I'm obsessed. So, we found stuff. We're good. Oh, how cute is this? How cute is this hat? Are you ready, hon? So we just left Bye Bye Baby. We got everything we needed. Yay! Oh, well, we got everything we needed. There's like always something, right? Something that you could have gotten. And now we're about to just go get dinner or something because I'm hungry. Anna's probably hungry, and I'm sure Anthony's hungry.
Let's say you bag out. Shit.
What happened?
I thought you were gonna bag out.
Oh, my bad. I was vlogging and I wasn't even paying attention. My bad, baby. I was trying to tell them that we were gonna. Is there a car behind me? Oh yeah. So anyway, we got all that done, and we are taking a road trip really soon for my birthday in about 2 weeks or so. We're gonna be driving to Tennessee, so that'll be my next vlog after this one. I'll share with you guys and bring you along. But for my birthday, what we always do is go camping. We go to like a cabin and do like that kind of like roughing it, and I enjoy it. I love it. So we're gonna do it again this year. And so we're gonna take this big old truck for that. It's like the perfect situation. Since we already have it, we might as well just take it. One less expense, because flying would have been 6 times the price. Yeah, I really like this truck. Like, I know we need a truck, like that's a given, I get it. But whether or not we need a Tahoe, I don't know. But I love the truck situation, the SUV situation, the 7-seater situation. Like right now we've got like the back seats folded down, and we've got like her stroller back there, the new car seat we just bought, all that stuff. It's the perfect amount of space. Like, it's awesome. I know Anthony loves it. You love it, don't you, hon? You said, I know how you coming. Yeah, I mean, look at it. It's cool. It needs to be washed. We're gonna wash it before we go on the road trip. Hey you guys, so we are finally leaving out on our way to the birthday party, Erica's first birthday, and we're back in the Tahoe again today. We got Ann in her new car seat already. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but the Britax car seat, she's all in there and she's good to go. Anthony installed it while I was getting in the shower and stuff, and so it was pretty easy, he said. And she's in there really good. She's got a lot of space and room for her feet and everything. So it's definitely an upgrade from the car seat that we had before. And I think she's way more comfortable, and she's a lot safer because we're using something that is more proper for her weight and size. And we went ahead and put the car seat in the middle. Normally we put it over on the side, but we learned some new information, and it's a lot safer to put the baby in the middle of the 2 seats versus either side from a side impact airbag deployment perspective. So my sister was actually telling me about that earlier, and so you learn new information, you apply it. Like, that's how life works. So off we go to the party. Oh, she's ready for it.
On the count of 3.
Then plans to leave. She is my cure and my disease. And it's so complicated because I hate myself.
Y'all got on matching shoes? Oh, okay. I just knew y'all did. Let me see your shirt. Oh, that's cute.
So secure until I can't escape. So unpredictable, but it's all
Oh, yay!
brings me to tears, then wipes them dry. Ask me for truth.